Hello everyone, today I'm doing a video of this late 1970s service one-speed box fan. I picked this up at a local thrift store for about $5. They were actually planning on scrapping it because they plan to not sell any more vintage appliances due to liability issues. Apparently they are afraid of one of these going up in flames and getting a lawsuit, which I personally do not understand, as these things are much more safe than a lot of today's fans, but I guess that's that. Anyway, I'm glad I was able to purchase it, as they plan to scrap it within the next few days, so I got lucky I found it. It's in mint condition, other than the missing grill slat down there. Otherwise, the fan is perfect. All I had to do was take it apart and clean it up. It is a single-speed fan. Service was a hardware store brand. These were also branded under Monarch Air and such, but they're actually made by Air King, which they're very well known for producing this style of grill, which is pretty neat. I'll turn it to the side here. As you can see, no rust. Paint is absolutely perfect. All the feet are there. There's the side of the fan. It's kind of like a yellowish green color. There's no yellowing on the grills. Blades are perfect. It's in mint condition, or near mint condition. There's the back. Blade hub is huge, as you can see. Turn it back to the front here. And it is just a single speed rotary switch, so we'll start it up. Wobbles a little bit. Blows a tremendous amount of air, for a plastic blade box fan at least. And we'll shut it down. Pretty good spin down time. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.